everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Crystal, and I'm back, everybody, with a new video. I haven't had a new video since like last Wednesday, so I hope everyone enjoys this one. It's a how-to video, which I love doing those, so hope everyone enjoys it. Yeah, today I am showing everybody how to contour, highlight, and blush. That sounds really weird, but I'm going to show everybody how to do this to my face or your face. So, hope everyone enjoys and keep watching. I forgot to mention, I did get this idea from It's Likely Makeup, so I don't want to take the credit. You know, people have done this, but she did it in like this order as well. But I love her channel so much, so I'm going to put her link down below for her channel. She's an awesome makeup artist. I would love to meet her one day. She is one of my big inspirations for me starting my channel and how I do my crazy ass makeup sometimes. I love you, Jordy, and it'd be awesome if you see this video. If not, someone share it to her. That would like make my fucking night. But credits to her for this idea of the video. And enjoy! So I already have all of my face makeup on, and my eyes and my eyelashes and stuff. Normally I would do this before I do my eyes, but I wanted to get my eyes over with, so I already did that. So I'm going to start off with contouring, and I'm going to use my Kat Von D Shade and Light Powder Contour Kit. Because I haven't really tried any cream products yet, and this is the one they had at Marshall's, right? Yeah. And I'm going to take this shade right here, like the lightest shade, and I tap off the brush too if there's too much product, and I'm just going to start lightly carving this out on my cheekbones, and then blending in a circle, in like circular motions like this. And I'm using my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush to do this. This is a foundation brush, but it works really good to contour with. That's why I use it to contour with. And if you hear my mom singing in the background, I am very sorry. But she's listening to music. I do the same thing when I listen to music, so it's alright. And I can't really block out the sound because I don't have like a microphone in front of me or anything. So I just get the top of my forehead because I have a really big forehead. And I just kind of go like this and blend it out a little bit. And just keep going all around my forehead till I am pleased with the result. Do the other side real quick and just do the same exact thing. I used to be very, very terrible at contouring, and then I watched a shit ton of YouTube videos and I got the hang of it. And I got the right products too. Like even drugstore products you could use. You don't have to use this expensive ass shit. You can even like contour with eyeshadows too, which I never tried before because I didn't have the right shades that actually matched my skin tone well. But now I do, so. Okay, so for contouring my nose, I actually use two brushes to outline like the contour. I use this eyeliner brush, this angled brush right here. I don't really know what Face Secrets. I have no clue where I got this brush from, but I love it to nose contour with. I'm sorry guys, I'm disgusting. The edge of my nose, because I have like a really pointed nose, and it's like really big too. So I kind of shade more right here to like hide it, because I don't want it to be so pointy and stuff. So I just kind of put more down here. Once I blend it out, it won't look like I kind of just like drew on a new nose. Now I'm going to start blending this out with my Real Techniques Expert Concealer Brush. This is like very stiff. I don't really use it for concealer, except for to spot conceal, but I mostly use it to blend out my nose contour because it's way easier. And I just lightly go like this and just kind of blend it out this way, and then I just kind of go in a circular motion like I was doing with my cheekbones and just blend it out. So that is the contouring portion. Oh shit, no, I forgot to contour my jawline. What the hell am I doing? Like, I need to make this sharper because it's a little So I'm not done yet. I need to contour my jawline and my chin. So I just go lightly like this, all around my jawline and my chin area with the same brush I was using earlier for my cheekbones. So after I normally contour, I take a little bit of my Airspun translucent powder. You can use any kind of translucent powder, and I take my Real Techniques sponge damp, which was so damp from earlier when I was doing my makeup. But yeah, I just bake here, and like my nose and stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys. Just put a little here, just kind of drag it across. I'm not gonna blend it out because I'm just gonna brush it away afterwards. And this just kind of makes your contour a little more like seamless looking. And then in a little bit, I'm going to brush this off, and then I'll be back with you guys. I've been doing it before my blush and my blush last, so that's what I'm going to do today to show you guys. And what I first do is take my e.l.f. facial lip in the white shade. I don't really know what the shade name is. It doesn't tell me on here, it just says the number of it. But I love this highlighter so much. They blend out really, really nicely, and they make a very beautiful highlight. Like if you want not so intense one, it makes that, or if you want to build it up, you can keep doing it, and it's very pretty. And it's not sticky either, like it dries pretty decently. Put a little bit on my hand, and I'm going to start with my cheek up here. Just put 3 little dots, and then start blending them out. And then do the same on the other side. And just kind of keep doing it till I have the pop and highlight I like, even though I add a powder one right on top of this because I'm so extra. Like, I'm obsessed with highlighting. It's kind of bad. Okay, and after I do both sides of my cheeks, I do my brow bone as well and just blend it out with my finger. Like so. Do the bridge of my nose, just like 3 or 4 dots. Yeah, about 4 dots or 3, just depending how much I put on my nose. And then I just pat it out with my finger or my Real Techniques sponge. But I'm gonna use my finger right now. And it makes this pretty ass glow. Everybody should try these highlighters. And I only have like 2 of them from one of the e.l.f. holiday sets, but e.l.f., you got some bomb-ass highlighters that some people don't know about. Some people do. Okay, so for my powder highlight, which is not necessary, you don't have to do powder and cream, or liquid, whatever. I'm using my e.l.f. Shimmer Highlighting Powder in the shade Starlight Glow, which is pretty champagne-y, slightly gold. It doesn't really look gold on the cheek, but it's really pretty. And then I'm taking my e.l.f. highlighting brush and just brushing this in the same exact spot. And you don't have to put a shit ton like I just did, but that's just my preference. And I put a little up here, a little bit on my chin, just to make my chin a little emphasize? I don't even know how you say it. A little on my forehead, just kind of brush it a little bit here, like that. And this weird motion that I'm doing, that I don't know why I'm doing it like that. I'm going to do it on my nose, and I'm using this type of brush. It literally looks like an eyeshadow brush, but I don't really know what kind of brush it is. It's from the brand Kestrel. No clue, and I just tap a little bit on my brush. And just go, same motions. And then a little bit on my Cupid's bow. And then some on my brow bone up here. Just to make my brow bone pop a little bit more. So I do this. I used to not even highlight my brow bone, and then I was like, other people do that. It makes their eyebrow look pretty, even if they have an ugly eyebrow. So I'm gonna try it. Then I do a inner corner highlight, and I just put some on my finger and just kind of pack it in my inner corner. Because I don't really have a brush that I like to apply with, so I just use my finger most of the time. And then do the other side. For blush today, I'm actually using one of my mom's palettes that I've been dying to use. BH Cosmetics Nude Blush 10 color blush palette. I used this when I did her makeup, and oh my god, it made her look so pretty. And it's got all these beautiful shades in it, and oh, they're so pigmented and everything. It's even got like some bronzer shades in here, but I haven't got to use this on myself yet, so I'm very excited. And I could show you guys how I do my blush with this palette. Oh shit, I just like whacked my mirror. But today I think I'm going to take this light pink matte shade, because the other one's shimmering under it. And I'm just going to tap my brush, my Lisa Frank brush, which you could probably use for contouring too, but I use it for blush. Ooh! Got some kickback to it, but that's okay. And I'm just going on the apples of my cheeks and just blend it into my contour. And you could also like swipe lightly, but I'm putting a lot on today because why the fuck not? I like blush. And I also put a little bit on the like tip of my nose, kind of. I don't know why. I saw, crap, what is her channel name? Kitty Snack doing it, and it made her face look like so natural and just, I don't know, nice. So I've been doing it lately. And it makes your face look very pretty. And I got a lot of blush on, especially this side. That is how I contour, highlight, and blush my face. That sounded really weird, but it sounded good in my head, so I said it anyways. So happy to be making videos for you guys again. I've been kind of gone for a couple of days on here. Just haven't had time to film, just kind of busy. I had like a job interview recently, and I did get the job, so your girl is a dishwasher at Cracker Barrel. Not the job I want, but it's money, so I'm gonna deal with it anyways. I haven't started yet, but soon I will. I don't know exactly when, but I'll figure that out soon. And I will still post videos, just maybe different times of the week. I'm not really sure yet on that. Anyways, I hope everyone enjoyed this tutorial on how to contour, highlight, and blush your face. Or how I do it. But I hope it helps everybody out. I love you guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Check out some of my other videos, and I'll see you right in the next one. Bye.